guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So we're doing the September base bag. I do have two currently still, and this bag is one of the cutest ones I have ever seen in my whole life. Holy shit. Who else gets Clueless vibes off of this? Like, seriously. Cher Horowitz, this is what this looks like. Like, am I wrong? I'm not wrong. I love it so hard. By far one of my favorite bags I've ever gotten from them. Also kind of reminds me of my first school uniform. Just throwing it out there. But anyway, instead of yellow, though, we had navy blue in ours, but that's beside the point. So, anywho, gonna just reach in for the thingy. So, hashtag Ipsy back to. September 21, back to work, school, life. Work, school, life, whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much-needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Scan to get into this month's theme, so I mean there's the QR code if you want to try it. Cheers to 10 years of Ipsy. The party's just getting started. Ipsy set out on a nationwide search for the next 10 creators, and now we're giving away $100,000 towards Ipsters Dream Vacations. Sign up for your chance to win at ipsy.com/dreamvacation. And there's more. In October, join the celebration on IG at Ipsy for epic reveals, major giveaways, and so much more. Don't miss the 10-year Glamiversary limited edition mystery bag and 10 days of deals. Yeah, I didn't bother with that. So, inhale. Pencil in a little one-on-one time with your 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50 plus. So, first thing we've got that didn't fit in the bag, we've got 2 sheet masks. For the price of one, full size, MSRP, $4 per mask, so $8 right there alone. So we have the BRTC Vitamin B5 Velvet and Vitamin A Velvet Mask Duo. Getting your skin's daily dose of healthy vitamins and nutrients has never been easier. Just pop on one of these soothing sheet masks. The Vitamin B5 helps hydrate and minimize fine lines and wrinkles, and the Vitamin A deeply moisturizes and helps brighten dullness. Tips. Store these in your fridge so they're extra cool and refreshing when you apply. I literally always do that. That is why I bought a skincare fridge, was number one for my sheet masks. So, you don't have to tell me twice. Next, we have, from the brand Oriza, the Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow Quad. So, it's still sealed. This is full size, apparently, and it retails for $20. Surprisingly, I honestly am shook. I would not have believed that if I hadn't seen it in print just now. Of course, it wants to be a little bitch and not open. Where do you open from? Okay, there's a little point of pressure. There we are. Okay. I'll pick those up in a little bit. Like, seriously, this feels like such cheap plastic. I would have guessed, like, maybe $5, $10. Oh, those are really pretty, though. Like, straight up. Those are actually really gorgeous shades. As cheap and shitty as this feels, honestly, those look really nice. So, what they lack in packaging, they make up for in quality, I think. So, these 4 ultra-buildable shadows blend on like a dream thanks to soft clay and rich mineral pigments. And the mix of shimmery champagne shades are perfect for all your summer to fall makeup looks. Tip, apply alone or mix and match to them to create your custom glowy eye look. I'm looking at those again because I've gotten other quads from this brand before that felt so uninspired, but for once, this one speaks to me. This one really speaks to me. I'm like, okay, I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling this one big time right now. So, okay, I'm very happy about that. Next, we have the H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. Obviously, this is a deluxe sample size. The full size would be $28 and be a whole hell of a lot bigger. It's the ultimate gel cleanser for sensitive, stressed out, or redness-prone skin. This formula uses all natural ingredients to gently remove makeup and help refresh and reset your skin without leaving you feeling tight, dry, or irritated. Tip, massage onto wet skin, then rinse with warm water. Literally just wash your face with it. You could have just said wash your face with it. It's not a tip. That is how you use it. But okay. Anyway. Oh, next. Again, a deluxe sample size, but not a bad size. This is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. The full size of this retails for $17. It's time to give your scalp the love it deserves with this foaming, clarifying scrub. It's made with sugar crystals that gently exfoliate your scalp to remove excess oil and product buildup, plus probiotic-rich sake water to help balance your scalp's pH. Tip: use instead of shampoo once a week. Massage into scalp and hair, then rinse. Instead of shampoo, you say? Being a scrub, I mean, it's just sugar. Seems like it'd be safe enough for color-treated hair, so okay, I'll give it a shot. And finally, from Context Skin, we have their nail polish in the color Shake Me. This is full size and retails for $15. I think I definitely got my money's worth on this spec. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, honey, look at that. Okay. Okay, I am all about that. Pair that with that little quad. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. I'm feeling that. This ultra shiny and chip-resistant foil bronze color is about to be your new go-to for all your autumn occasions. Plus, the 7-3 formula is made without some of the harmful ingredients found in many polishes, so it doesn't just look good, it's good for you, too. Tip: prep your nails as usual, then apply 2 thin coats of color, followed by a top coat. Again, they're literally just telling you how to use it. It's not a tip. That is literally how you use nail polish. Good lord. I don't know why I'm, like, so irked at that, but it's like they treat you like you're stupid. And I'm like, oh my gosh. It bothers me. It shouldn't, but it bothers me when they do that. So, okay, that's what I had in the first bag. And actually, that's the one that was the flipped account that used to be my mom's that I flipped over into the info that's for me now. So that's actually some really good stuff. Now, on the one that was originally mine, we have got, more of the same sheet mask, which actually was not even, like, my requested item. So, when we get to the little card about it, yeah, okay. Yep, those are exactly the same ones. I'm not going to reread that. And we have another, well, I guess we have a brush. I don't think the other one had a brush. So this is from SL Miss Glam, and it's their Marble Eye Blender M15. And I've had brushes from them before. They're pretty good. Oh, it's got little rhinestones on it. Oh, it's that brand. I know who this is now. Okay. Okay. For having marble in the title, they have no marbling on the barrel, which is a little disappointing, but that's okay. That's okay. I forgive them for the rhinestones. Fashion meets function. This marble-inspired brush looks ultra cute and has all your makeup needs covered too. Use it with your favorite cream and powder products to apply, blend, shade, and detail with ease and precision. Tip: once a week, gently wash the bristles and brush with brush shampoo and lay it flat to dry. Again, that's not a tip. That's just whatever. Anyway, there's something that smells hella good in here, and I'm not sure what it is. Then we have from Tarte Sugar Rush, the Lash Smoothie Volumizing Hemp Mascara. Now, this is a sample size, obvi. Oh yeah, and that brush was $19 that it was valued at. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size would be $23. Fell asleep in your mascara with this conditioning formula? It's no big deal. Think of it as part mascara, part lash treatment. It gives your lashes instant volume and length and helps moisturize and strengthen them too with a blend of avocado, baobab, and plant oils. Tip: wiggle the wand through your lashes from root to tips. Honestly, that sounds like it was made for me for how often that exact scenario happens, even though it's really bad and I shouldn't be admitting that, but yeah, it's like a 50-50 shot. When I put on eye makeup, there is a 50-50 shot. I will fall asleep in it and not bother washing it off, and we'll just leave it on the next time. Terrible for you, I know, yet here we are. But if this actually ends up being good, I might go ahead and buy the full size of this just because, oh, if it makes it no big deal to fall asleep in it, actually, I'm all for that. Ooh, is this an eyeliner? Ooh, I think it is. Okay, so this is by Aricelli Beauty, and it's their Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in Navy/Merino. This is full size, retails for $16, And long-lasting doesn't even begin to describe this waterproof gel eyeliner's level of staying power. It's cry-proof, humidity-proof, sweat-proof, you name it. And the opaque dark blue color is a 24/7 staple, whether you're going to work or hitting up happy hour. Tip for a quick smoky eye, line both lash lines and smudge with an angled brush. Okay. So that's pretty cool. And last thing in here, must be the thing that smells good. Oh yeah, it's this. So this is the Define Me fragrance. Okay, Define Me fragrance. Sophia Isabel Natural Perfume Oil. Okay, because I was like, something smells super damn good in there. So this is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $29. Not only does this fragrance make you feel good, it smells amazing too. Made with notes of mandarin, tangerine, jasmine, and vanilla, the all-natural perfume oil inspires adventure, confidence, and self-love with every whiff. Tip, avoid rubbing your wrists together after you apply. It can make the top notes fade faster. Like, honestly, though, this smells so freaking good. Like, did it somehow leak in here? No. Although, even though it's sealed, like, look how much is not filled. That's so weird. But it doesn't feel, like, greasy, so I don't think any leaked out. It just, I want to open it. Like, let's smell it at full blast. I want to smell it. What the fuck? So taking the plastic off, something in that plastic smells like weed, and I don't know why, but that's concerning. This a little bit does too now. What? Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm putting it on. Normally I wouldn't do this, like, right just in an unboxing video, but screw it. I'm doing it. I have to go to work today anyway. Haven't put on any perfume yet, so screw it. Let's just do the thing. I'll put a little up here too, because with how many times I wash my hands, the wrists will go. So let's do the elbows. And hope that this is not a terrible mistake by the end of the evening. It's only a 3-hour shift, so fuck it. So we're gonna let it dry down. Because it's an oil, I have a bad feeling this is gonna stay, like, oily looking on my skin. I don't know what, yeah, it's, like, not really showing. Alright, well, you'll have to take my word for it that it looks hella greasy so far, like an oil slick. Although the ones on my elbows are drying kind of fast, but the ones on my wrists, not so much. And I'm like, oh, so what are we gonna do about that? Just wait it out. I'm getting a lot of the tangerine notes from a distance, which is weird. What else did it say it had? Jasmine, vanilla, mandarin. Okay, so I'm getting the citrus ones from a distance, and then up close I get the vanilla and, like, another floral, but not jasmine. That doesn't smell like jasmine to me. That smells like something else. So weird, but it smells really good. Like, don't get me wrong. That actually smells amazing. No complaints. That smells hella good. Don't know that I would necessarily buy the whole thing because it's kind of spendy, but it does smell really, really nice. So, kind of can't complain too much. But, yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna keep it upright because I have a feeling if it falls over, it will leak, despite being a rollerball. So, I'm gonna have to be real careful with that guy. But yeah, so I think that was the last. Actually, let's put it in the box for extra safekeeping. Just, you know, as an aside. But yeah, so that was what I got in my September Ipsy Glam bag. I also got a Glam bag plus that month, so there is that to look forward to in its own unboxing video, as usual. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the 5th item? The perfume? This. Oh, the eyeliner. I didn't see I dropped it down in there. I am an idiot. Alright, so let's go ahead, do that, and then what did I do with the first one? Yeah, they can go together over here. Anyway, so that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.